Last minute trip, I'm taking my circus to for a wilderness resort. And some real simple food you can cook at Disney Resort. Chinese breakfast, Japanese curry, and Chinese noodles. And you can bring your pet. We bring pepper. But later you will see the dramatic, sad news a cast member told us.
We just have our...
Bring some ingredients, vegetables, dry spices, cleaver, but I need a pan. My wok is too big. I'm also packing some soy sauce, MSG, and all the cooking stuff. We need a rice cooker. Driving to the airport, the next destination, Disney Resort.
No.
My circus is always fighting over pepper. And Daddy has to go back to work.
Daddy's go back to Minnesota.
It's too hot here.
I don't think it's too hot. Perfect weather. Better than freezing cold.
Say bye.
Bye, Pepper.
Bye.
Bye.
Have a good flight.
Thank you.
Alright. Bye. Love you. You can open the door with the Disney app.
Try the
Against the
magic.
lock.
Try the magic.
Oh, is it magic?
Yay. Add money.
Look.
Add money. Ooh.
Pepper? Oh, we have a shoecase here. Let's see. Our cabin.
New home.
Whoa.
I called
Oh.
this bed. I called down here.
Wow, Pepper? You like your cabin?
We are at the cabin. I'm gonna sleep here tonight, right, everyone? Who's sleeping with me?
There's not enough space, so I'm sleeping here.
Oh, here's the
What if it's open fire?
shower. Check the kitchen where I can cook here. Let's see. Here, oh, there's the pans. Pepper! Here are pots and pans. It's not bad. A colander. Ooh, small one. Rice cooker here. So we make the rice. Give me
Spam.
spam, yes.
You got rice.
Spam? Yes. Meat. The eggs can not be in the freezer.
Dirty.
Chicken 放下面。
Carrot.
Good night. See you in the morning. Waking up in the cabin. Making breakfast. Morning, waking up in cabin.
It's not a doggy. Pepper. Pepper? See what your sister's doing? You
I
go.
know the impossible
What are you doing?
answer for Baldi's face now.
iPad. Need some coffee. Save myself first. And this is Disney coffee. After making breakfast, then we are going to get golf carts. Now, no, you cannot park anywhere in the campground with your actual car. I saw everybody driving the golf carts, so it's a last minute trip. I didn't do research, but for you, either you walk, you bike, hoverboard. People decorate a golf cart with fancy decorations. This resort campsite is huge. I was driving my car around, trying to get somewhere, but there's nowhere to park your car. You have to get a golf cart or walk. Some water and cornstarch. Sprinkle some salt. Now we're ready. Here's the cooking oil I got. While I was making this breakfast, the fall on my head is thinking, I have to get a golf cart. Yeah, keep drinking coffee. You'll see what happened. Oh, cooking. This Chinese chive egg omelet I make for the kids all the time. But my mistake was I forgot to bring chopsticks. But this omelet cook inside the Disney cabin, so this will taste magical. Tastes very Disney. No chopsticks. I don't even know how to serve. Well, forks are fine, but not as good as my chopsticks. Piece food I made at home, so I brought it here. Here's for pepper. This is the dog food. I stir fry the ground beef, string beans, bake the potato and the carrots. This is human grade. We can eat this. Bye-bye.
So what a nice day today. So we're gonna walk to the golf cart rental. Hope we can find it.
Because I'm
Unfortunately, all the golf carts sold out. Oh, I don't know when we're gonna get there. Huh?
see how much miles.
Yeah, the dog can go to the golf cart, but we can't get one. Like that's a Disney golf cart. So we are walking to the dog park. It's about a mile. Just exercise. 1 mile. See that bus running the whole campsite. If you don't have a golf cart or bike, you can rent a bike or scooter. Take the bus or walk. Dog park. Dog park. Pepper! Dog park is so fun for Pepper, and it's a little bit raining, so it's not that hot, but I am hot. 哇，真是乖宝宝 ，dirty like a black. Oh my god, you become a panda. 你看这儿，他们打球的地方。 Japanese curry, we pour over rice. Rice started first, then we make the chicken curry with potatoes and carrots and onions. Easy dish to make. If you're on a trip, this is the thing you can make. You just need to buy a little package like this. Even you don't have a wok right now, I have a pan. I can do Chinese food anywhere. The pan's a little small, so I'm gonna transfer in this big one. Everyone's hungry, almost ready. Still cooking. Add the water, bring to a boil. Now add the curry, right?
While the curry is cooking, I'm making stir-fry bok choy. This is the best way to make it. You have to cook in the dry wok or pan first, let it cook it down, then we take it out. Next, add cooking oil, then stir-fry the dry pepper, ginger, and garlic. Get the fragrance out. Then add bok choy back in. Stir-fry for a few minutes. Just add salt, MSG to taste. You can also flavor with some oyster sauce and a little soy sauce as well. You need flavor. Every day I'm serving dinner. There's like so many bowls and plates, plus the cooking stuff. Like I'm serving an army, have so many dishes to wash every day. I used to have 2 dishwashers in my kitchen. Now I moved to Orlando and one dishwasher.
Japanese curry, everybody. Yeah, no chopsticks. You guys request you want some spam. Oh, and okay, I'm sitting. How you cook at Disney Resort? Dirty dog, dirty dog.
Zero.
Are we still doing the campfire tonight? Excuse me?
There is no campfire tonight, unfortunately. We just have our beach bash, and then we have our glow party in the pool.
Oh, okay. That's for kids or?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yep. All of it is. Yep.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Well, campfire canceled. We can see some fireworks here. So many golf carts with very nice Chinese noodles and Disney noodles.
What's better than Chinese noodles for movie night? I always loved bowl noodles when I'm watching movie in Netflix. Also, I prefer having noodles mid of the night, like a midnight snack when I'm hungry. The only thing is, I didn't have chopsticks.
Really hard. I have to remember. Bring chopstick next time.
Don't forget, drop a fried egg on top of your noodles. Also, I adding spam, and in Chinese noodles, you have to add some vegetables. In the end, you pull the noodles out of this creamy yolk. Oh, it's heaven.
杰涵，这个是你的，这个不辣的，来。 还有那个午餐肉在下面。